once again.
Hello, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's Mobile Mechanics, and we have been called today to this Volvo XC60 here. It's got lock and wheel nuts that are stuck on there. The tyre shop has broken the lock and wheel nut key, so we're going to try and get them removed. So with this type of nut here, I'm going to use this kit, Dynomec, to open it. I'm going to use this key. So insert that into the slide hammer. Now I'll use the impact driver. So there you have it there. So what that does is it just beats its way in there into the inside of this little edge here and grabs a grip on it. Now we have a set of replacement wheel nuts to go back on. Now we've got that one off, we're going to carry on and finish the rest. We've got another 3 to remove, so that's it really. We'll see you on our next video.